Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am so excited to show you. It's literally just come through the door today. I have bought some amazing shoes. They are so me, so unreal. I'm literally just cannot believe that they've just arrived. I have bought the Buffalo boots shoes. So they're like trainers. So I'm really excited to show you. I've been wanting these boots for such a long time. It's been unreal ever since Alex from HRH, you know her quite well. If you don't, then watch my videos. She's had these boots and they're just, oh my God, they're amazing. The 90s platform Spice Girls boots, and I'm just so over the moon to have them today. They've arrived from Germany and I literally ordered them about 4 days ago and it's literally arrived at my door. I've just come back from shopping now and running some errands and they've arrived. Oh, sorry, I'm going to take that. It's like a flower. Just had to take this from the bedroom. I have it hung up near the bedpost and it looks tacky. This is when I was doing some sort of Hawaiian crap. So I am so over the moon to show you this. Sorry, this angle, this camera's doing my head in. I'm really excited. Sorry, I think you can tell. So how's everyone? I'm going to just talk to you about, what I'm wearing today. Obviously, I love to do this before I start talking about my shoes. Just keep the suspense going even longer. So obviously my hair, I've had it done, and obviously can you see the roots? I love it. Highlighted, amazing. So much better and subtle. And I've just straightened my hair as well. It needs a bit of oomph though, I think. I'm just so happy. I can't believe it. Sorry, I'm being a real big asshole about this. I'm really being a bit extra about this, but you've just no idea how much I've been wanting these shoes. I'm wearing some new lip product on my lips, and this is from Primark, and it's in the colour Velvet Rose. I love Primark for the lip glosses. They're so luscious, and they make your lips really hydrated. It has a lovely smell of like vanilla, like candy kind of, cotton candy kind of smell. So if you get a chance and you live in England, America, please buy these. But save some for me because I've been buying loads. Obviously my hair, I've told you about. My makeup, I'm just wearing the, what am I wearing on my face? The Beauty Blender foundation, and then obviously the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So yeah, and I've got a new ribbed white shirt from River Island. I'm just so happy. I need to shut up now. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you. I hope you've enjoyed my new videos as well. I really love doing them, obviously, like I always say. I'm really happy with the support. I love your messages. They really make my day because they, they make my job so much worthwhile reading lovely comments from you guys. What's this? Fucking muddy forehead. It makes my job so worthwhile, and my job, like this is a job. You know what I mean? My kind of videos I do, it makes them worthwhile, and I'm really excited. Oh, low battery. Sorry, guys. I'm going to have to plug this in, aren't I? I've got low battery. Bollocks. 1 second, guys. Don't know if that's working. Oh, I plugged in the wrong thing. Sorry, guys. We've moved angles because my camera is an asshole. So I am really excited to show you. My camera's doing my head in. You're on a slant, guys, and it's really annoying me. There we go. So are you on a slant, guys, or just me? God, are you on a slant? Guys, I need to just shut up and do this, don't I? So I'm just going to look, I'm going to tell you about these shoes, obviously, before I show you them. Because I really like the description of the shoes. See if I can find them. Okay, so it says here, the Buffalo Classic Half Shoe is the most recent figure of the iconic 90s boots and a true disruptive masterpiece with a high quality smooth leather outer material and an extreme platform sole. The half shoe, here in white, astounds with a new lightness and an open heel design. Now, the shoe that I'm just going to get into the shoe because otherwise I'm never going to shut up talking about the fucking shoe, and you want to see the shoe, don't you? So here's the shoe. I'm going to show it to you. Sorry, guys. Are my shoes even in here? Have I put them in here? No, I haven't. Oh my God. Oh, they're here. So this is the package that came. Buffalo. And here's the box. This is the box. And are you ready, guys, for the shoes? Because I might actually have a breakdown if I show you these. Look at these. Oh, I am dead. I am dead. These shoes are fucking out of this fucking world. Can you see the ring light's making it weird because it's white? I'm going to try these on and I might have to refrain myself from having a heart attack. These are a white leather. So they're 100% leather. So they'll just be white proof, I imagine. Made in Spain. I'm sorry, but I'm going to pass out. I got them in a size 7. And they fit really true to size. I was really quite shocked. They're actually slightly too big, I think, but they'll be okay. And I'm just going to put these on and I'm going to have a breakdown. So I need to shut up now, don't I? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the shoes on now. These shoes are exactly the same as Alex from HRH. And I've seen her Instagram pictures of them. And I just love them. I love chunky shoes that make your legs look thinner and your body look thinner. And I'm just obsessed. I'm going to wear them every day, every night, in bed, on the toilet. I'm going to wear them all the time. Oh God, I need to eat. I'm losing my mind. Oh my God. These are so fucking sick. Here are the shoes. Are you absolutely... So I'm going to turn the light on. Look at these shoes. I am in absolute awe of these. Look at them. They're absolutely insane. Look at them here. I am dying. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the half shoe as well. They're so different. They just make my feet look so, so cool. I'm in love. I can't actually believe they've arrived. I'm just going to... Can you see even better here? They're very heavy. I don't know why they were saying they're not. They are very heavy. Dress them up, dress them down, wear them with a dress or some leather leggings or some yoga pants that I'm wearing now. Just in awe. And they just make my legs look so thin. I mean, my legs, I have got a decent pair of legs anyway, but my God. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. I'm just stunned. I love the colour. I just love them. I'm going to really annoy myself when I edit because I'm just going to go on and on and on about these shoes. I've not tied them up right because obviously they're brand new, but look. I am in love. I love oversized chunky shoes like this. They make my legs look so skinny. Oh my God, they're so sick. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and the shoes. I'm absolutely in stunning awe of these shoes. They're so amazing. I can't wait to wear them with everything and anything. They're going to go well with absolutely everything, aren't they? And these, oh, I forgot to say, these were £146. So they weren't cheap. But I mean, because they've come from Germany and there's been, oops, it's gone down. There's literally been no problems with it. I mean, there was tracking, but there wasn't, the DHL didn't let me know when it was here, obviously, because I think it was a kind of foreign DHL. I think it was Germany. But I mean, in 5 days from overseas, that is insane. Unbelievable. And the shipping actually does say 7 to 10 days and it's been about 4. So I would definitely order from these people again. I mean, I could not say any more nice positive things about this company. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I've gone on and on, but I'm so excited. Please be tuned for more videos from me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.